The caulk I use and have always used is the white siliconized acrylic caulk. You can find this at any paint store, Home Depot, Lowe's, etc. And I specifically use the 40 to 45 year guaranteed caulk because it has less adhesive in it compared to a lifetime guarantee or a clear caulk. This ensures a cleaner break when you pull the tape back off of the trim. Shout out to Gyrie's Color Source for supplying this to me. A small 45-degree cut, and you're ready to go. I start my caulk line the same way I did my tape line, which is I caulk the tape line from the top of the jamb to the bottom, as you can see. Then before I continue, I take my wet rag and I dig out as much of the caulk as I can. The whole purpose of the caulk line is just to seal the edge of the tape line before you start painting. So you want to dig out as much of the excess caulk as possible and leave as little caulk in the tape line as possible while using the wet rag to wipe away the excess from my finger and also keeping my finger wet. The wet rag is very important here as it ensures a nice smooth finish and does not allow my finger to drag or leave any excess unsightly lines on the wall. Now I'm overdoing it here a little bit on this first run, just to overemphasize to the viewers what I'm describing. Once the jamb is caulked, I continue with the baseboards, caulking about a 2 to 3 foot area, then wiping away the excess caulk onto my rag, and continuing on. Now some painters like to caulk the entire length of the wall before wiping away the excess, but I prefer to do it this way. Mainly because, as you can see here, if I have an excess amount of caulk on my finger, instead of wiping it all onto the rag, I can just wipe it onto the uncaulked area of the tape line, saving any possible wasted caulk and also from saturating my rag with excess caulk. I then just continue the same procedure for the rest of the baseboards, windows, and all other taped areas. And finally, I'm caulking the newly installed granite countertop in the bathroom. Now here, I purposely apply a thicker bead of caulk because there is a wider gap between this particular piece of granite and the wall. So I'm trying to simultaneously caulk the tape line and fill in that wide gap to bring it more level with the top of this piece of granite, as you can see. Thanks again for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel in order to see more painting tips like this one. And now, let's start painting it.